SIS made some changes over the summer, and one of those changes affects how you enter formulas and tell it to override the start date. So I am currently logged in and impersonating Stephanie Martin so that what you see on my screen will be the same as what you see on your screen. And I'm going to show you how to enter those formulas and how to override the start date in SIS. You used to do that by going into your course and using the menu bar here across the top. Now you're going to go down here to Tools and selecting Report Card Grade Formulas. Then you're going to go and edit those formulas. If you do total points for figuring out your grades, you don't have to do anything because that is the default. Percent is going to work the same way it did before. Go and select your categories, classwork, test, whatever categories you use, hit save, and then put in the percent for each of those categories. So once you've done that, you're going to do the override start date. Click that button, select the first day of the semester, which this semester is August 22nd. That would be all that you do. I am going to get rid of this because Stephanie actually does total points. So this is all she needs to do is the override start date and put in the first date of the semester. And I'm going to save that. Now I should be able to copy that formula from Progress 1 to Term 1 and Semester 1, but it wasn't working earlier. So I'm actually going to go in and just manually override that start date by selecting the first day of the semester for each one of these, which when you're doing total points is really easy because that's all you have to do is the overriding the start date. Now I'm going to save. All right, so then I'm going to go back in through Tools and the Report Card Grade Formulas, and it was actually working to copy these formulas into my other courses. So I'm going to hit Copy Formula, and I'm going to copy them from this term. My options are to copy to all other course sections or to all my sections of this course. So this one means it would just copy to the Sewing and Crafts course. This one means it would copy to every course that she teaches. Sewing and Crafts, Life Skills 5, and Life Skills 6. So if you use the same formula for everything you teach, leave it right here. That's what she does. So I'm going to hit Copy, and then I'm going to hit Save. And then I'm going to go into one of her Life Skills courses just to check that it worked. Come back down here to Tools and Report Card Grade Formulas, and you can see it's got the override start date in there, so we know that it worked. So that should be all you have to do until you get to your second semester courses. You're going to have to repeat the process and put in your override start date for January 4th, which will be the first date of that semester. But for now, you're finished, so you can just click Save, and you're all done. If you have any questions, let me know. I'll be happy to help.